The topic of today's video is how to use one number for WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, and it's really just a case of signing up for WhatsApp or signing up for WhatsApp Business using that same number. There's no special trick to it. I think the real question that you guys are wondering is, can you be signed into WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business at the same time? And the answer to that is no. When you go onto WhatsApp, it'll immediately log you out of WhatsApp Business. And when you log into WhatsApp Business, it'll immediately log you out of WhatsApp. So you cannot be operating both apps at the same time, unfortunately, though you can definitely use the same number for both of these apps. And that is all there is to it, guys. Not gonna keep you long on this one. Do consider liking and subscribing, and have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.